Once you have identified your stressors, once you have accepted the fact that there are different people in the world, somewhere you will realize that your cause of stress, the triggers, are actually all external. The world is not good to you, the weather is not good to you, right? You are not in control, people are not behaving as you want them to behave. So what happens then? You become a victim. You start playing the role of a victim. I am being victimized. Why is this happening to me? Why do these things happen only to me? For everyone else the world is good, everything is good. Only these bad things and stressful things happen to me. Do you feel like that? Well, if you feel like that, that means you are actually playing the victim game. The victim game is that I am helpless, people are not helping me. No, the world is not going to come forward and help you. Is anyone going to come forward and help you except maybe your parents or your absolutely near and dear ones? But the world is not going to change to suit your suitability, right? And by blaming the outside world and external factors and environment, you are just shrugging the responsibility off your shoulders. It's not my responsibility to take care of myself, it's the responsibility of others. No, that does not work. Are you a puppet? You want to be dangled like a puppet by people? I don't think so. But without realizing this is happening to you, maybe you don't like hearing this in this way, but that is a fact then. If you want the world to come forward and do things for you, that means you want to be treated like a puppet. That means you want to give the reins of your life to other people. They are going to control your life. So now you yourself are wanting to give away your control, whereas what you are suffering from is actually the feeling of not being in control. So now what you have to do is you have to decide that you are going to take the reins of your life into your own hands, into your own two strong hands, because you are capable, definitely, and you know it somewhere within yourself, you know you can do it. Maybe there are certain fears or inhibitions or whatever which are stopping you from taking your life into your own hands. But today I want you to decide that you are not going to be in the victim mode ever again, even if you get into it, because it's a natural behavior of yours presently. So it will take a little time, but if you decide, see, it all starts in the mind, in the brain, in your thoughts. So once you have decided you are not going to be a victim, you are not going to be a puppet, and you will take control of your own life, your life will change, 100% it is going to change. And can you imagine the sense of confidence and self-esteem and vigor and energy that you will have when you decide, I am going to do it myself. I am not going to be a victim anymore, no more, enough. You have to tell yourself enough. Now stop and decide and take the reins in your own hands. It's like taking the steering wheel of the car in your own hands. You don't have to keep telling them, please go left, please go right. If the steering wheel is in your hands, you will direct your course of action of your own life, right? Can you imagine the sense of power and freedom and independence and strength that you will feel at that point of time? I'm sure you're already feeling it, and I'm happy, I'm sure that you're deciding now to take the reins in your own hands. And you know, the best way is to go a little slow. Go slow. Like if you pause the video and you think about it for a minute, even for just a minute, that this is what I'm going to do. Close your eyes and just think, I am not going to be a victim anymore. I am not going to be a puppet anymore. I am going to take control of my own life in my own two hands. I am capable. I have the strength. And do you know, once you do that, you will even get the support of the outside world, the environment, the universe will come forward to help you achieve your goals. Okay? And the happiness and thrill and strength and confidence that you will get will be unimaginable. So do let me know that you have decided to take the reins of your own life into your own hands. Okay? Once you have taken the reins of control in your own hands, what happens is that you stop reacting to what people are saying or doing, the environment, the world, life in general. Now what you are doing, you are responding. Why? Because you are first thinking and then taking action. That is responding. See, the stressful conditions will remain the same. The environment, people, life, situations, everything will remain the same. But your own reaction to those situations will have changed. Like I said, you will not be reacting now, you will be responding, which in itself will make life so much easier and stress free. Stress free is the word, right? That is what we are looking forward to in this video.